So if I was just replacing these pieces, I would start right here and start removing them. But since I'm doing this J channel, and I don't think there's Tyvek behind here, so I want to add some, I'm just going to take all of this off right here. So to start, I want to work my way from the top down. It's just going to be easier so I can get to all the nails as I work my way down. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you don't need this tool necessarily, but it makes it a whole lot easier. This is a Side Swiper 2, not sponsored by the way, but it has this little hook that gets up under the siding. So find the end of that course of siding right here, stick that hook up there like this, and then you'll feel it grab onto this piece of siding, pull down a little bit and pull out, and it will unlock this whole piece. Just like that. So now I can carefully kind of pop this out. I am replacing this J channel, so maybe on this side, pop it out like that. There you go. And now we can get to these nails. On this side, just gonna get this past this J channel. Might be a little work. There you go. All right, so before I start taking the siding off, I'm gonna mark right here at the top so that I can put this siding back exactly how I take it off. Now, I do wanna add Tyvek here, so I can mark a line here, but I'm not gonna be able to see it. So I'm just gonna have to be careful and mark it on this side and then do something on the other side. So on this side, I'm gonna have to just go to this concrete over here. Mark right there. And that way I'll know where to put these back. It'll just make it easier when I go to reinstall them. Now I can start taking these nails out. Roofing nails. Use a flat bar. Try not to let these go all over the place. Flat bar in here. I have to do that with some of them to get them started. Once I get this piece off, it'll be easier taking the other pieces off. And then I should be able to, oh, that one just fell right down. Okay, so I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna call this 1 because I am gonna reuse this. So that's the first piece I took off. Put that aside. Now this one, mark right here and mark over here. I can also use a square to make this perfect, but with siding, there's a lot of flexibility, so we should be good. And we can take this one down. Mark this too. Line here at the top and mark it right here. Three. It's just the same thing all the way down. And this is the first piece that we're taking out of here and not putting back. So I am still gonna mark it and I'll put it in the pile the same way. That way we can just cut it to the same length because the length is good. 9. So this one, I'll line up that nail where this used to be. Mark right there. And this side is good. Okay, this last one, I'm gonna have to take these bricks out of here, I guess. It's not ideal that you have this stuff up against the siding, but it is what it is. Let's see what I can do. Put this back the same. Got a nail right here. Obviously somebody tried to fix this at some point. That's obviously the last piece. that off to the side.